Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. So this week I have another face makeup tutorial again, and I'm going to do a half colorful skull design, and I hope you really will enjoy this one. So before you continue watching, how about go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, enjoy the show.
But I'm not over it. How the hell do I get over this? You said you made a mistake, then you walked away. But when you have my hand under the vintage sun, I knew it wouldn't last. I knew it'd come undone. But when you have my hand under the vintage sun, I almost lost myself. I almost fell in love. But now that this is over, I feel a little colder. You shut me down. You shut me down. But this is all just irrelevant. Trying to find a way to remember this. 'Cause even though it hurts so good. But when you have my hand under the vintage sun, I knew it wouldn't last. I knew it'd come undone. When you held my hand under the vintage sun, I lost myself. I fell in love under the vintage sun. Under the vintage sun, I lost myself. Under the vintage sun. You really hurt me. You told people that you broke me, and maybe you did, and maybe you did. But I'm not over it. How the hell do I get over this? You said you made a mistake, then you walked away. But when you have my hand under the vintage sun, I knew it wouldn't last. I knew it'd come undone. that this is over. I feel a little colder. You shut me down. You shut me down. But this is all just irrelevant. Trying to find a way to remember this. 'Cause even though it hurts so good. But when you have my hand under the vintage sun, I knew we wouldn't last.
This half colorful skull design is coming together. It's beautiful. I'm really liking it. It's a first time of me doing a cheese skull design, so I was really proud of myself when I finished, and I am finishing. So thank you so much for watching and making to the end of this video, and I really hope you go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, go ahead and hit that great notification bell to be notified with all the other videos that I do in the week, and stay to the end so you can see some other videos that I did this week and other weeks, and go ahead and check those out. And why not go ahead and give me a like with this and share this to others, please. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with another. Bye.